everyone, it is Exploreaholic, your Google Maps local guide from Arizona. Just wanted to share some updates. And I'm super excited to get this box for guiding stars from Google Maps. Yay! We can unbox it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love the cute masking tape, and I just got one corner. Oops, silly me. I almost opened it upside down. But here we go. Now we're gonna unveil it the right way. Woohoo! And look at the cute design on the inside top of the box. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside. First thing inside is look like there is a cap, which looks so nice, and I'm definitely going to use that when I go on my hikes or exploring the playgrounds. I see a white bag. Let's see what's in. Okay, I just unfolded it and it looks like it's a plastic bag. Perfect. Definitely going to be using that to carry all the stuff as I guide, like my water bottles and snacks. Now I see a triangular prism-shaped item. Let's go ahead and open and see what it is. It says woodsy. Here's the other side of that triangle box, and now I open it up and let's see what's inside. Nice. It looks like some nice stylish sunglasses that I can wear while outdoors. Yay! We have this brown colored bag. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, I'm just pulling the bag off the brown, and I love the guiding star logo. And let's unravel to see what is in there. Wonderful! I just unrolled it and it looks like it's a comfy picnic blanket, or it could just be a blanket for when you sit outside. Wonderful, great for the weather. Let's see what else in there. Yay, looks like I got a glass trophy for creative contribution. Thank you so much, Google Maps. See what else is in there. I just took it out and it looks like it is a self-cleaning water bottle. Pretty cool. Let's meet the bottle that cleans itself. And now let's open up this second box to see. Wonderful. It looks very nice. I like the color, and now I can drink plenty of water while exploring. Yay! Everyone so much for joining me in this unboxing. It was super exciting, and I'm so thankful as well to the Google Maps and local guides community for being so kind, for giving me all these wonderful gifts. I am definitely going to be using them while exploring. I'm super honored. Thank you so much. And now I wanted to share what is next. Let's get caught up. So, as you may recall, in September 8th, 2021, I kicked things off with the 90-day Google Maps Local Guide Challenge, where I would post a video a day for 3 months. But it ended up that I decided to do a video a day for a year instead. And on September 9th, 2022, I was able to achieve that milestone. However, I'm super passionate to finish the year strong with a video a day until December 31st, 2022. So, what did I film? Well, I filmed playgrounds, urban walks, indoor places, drives, Maricopa Regional Park trails, other hikes in Arizona, and museums in Arizona. And then as for my accomplishments, the first part is I was able to hike all the trails of Maricopa Regional Parks. For some trails, I was only able to walk part of the trail, but I still marked it off because I walked that trail. Additionally, I was able to add visual, image, and video for playgrounds. I visited all playgrounds in Tempe, Mesa, Gilbert, Green Creek, Apache Junction. While some were not recorded, I added photo and reviews on Google Maps. I also visited all major local museums in Maricopa County. You can do this too by using a cultural pass that you can get from your public library that allows you to see the museums, or most of the ones I filmed, for free. And below you can see some of the ones that I filmed. Additionally, I was able to complete my driving matrix project where I wanted to film the highways and roads and downtowns of all the major Maricopa County cities. And as you can see, every time I filmed one, I would just put an X and I would move down, and I was able to complete and fill all the X's here in this matrix. So now what? There's 22 days left, 22 days of holidays. We'll finish strong with a video a day until December 31st. The theme, playgrounds in Chandler, Arizona. So won't you subscribe and follow me on this journey? Happy holidays, everyone.